food preparation process involves a lot of steps. One of the most important parts is known as food testing. This is vital because we can't deny the importance of food hygiene, whether it's a home, retail store, restaurant or food factory. With the passage of time, more and more people are realizing the importance of food safety. Let's find out why food hygiene is of paramount importance. According to statistics, 48 million people fall sick because of foodborne illnesses, 3,000 lose their lives from food poisoning, and 128,000 are hospitalized. Given below are some common reasons why food safety is so important. 1. First of all, if the available drinks or foods are not safe, you can't have them. For instance, if water is not free of harmful elements, you may fall sick from drinking dirty water. The same rule applies to different types of food. 2. People from across the globe fall sick from contaminated food or drink on a daily basis. Food poisoning occurs because of parasites, viruses and bacteria found in different food products. 3. There is no clear way of identifying if a food product is contaminated. The reason is that you can't detect unhealthy substances in food by using your sense of taste, smell or see. 4. According to many reports, food poisoning may cause dehydration, gastroenteritis or many serious problems like kidney failure. In some cases, the patients may even pass away. 5. The risk of food poisoning is greater in those who are babies, kids, the elderly or pregnant moms. Similarly, patients of cancer, HIV infections and other major diseases are also more prone to the effects of contaminated food. With food safety and hygiene, it's possible to prevent the multiplication of germs and bacteria, so they don't reach dangerous levels. 6. It's important to keep yourself healthy and avoid spending money on medication and regular checkups. And this is of paramount importance for companies as they lose billions of dollars because of employee downtime each year. 7. In most cases, food poisoning occurs because of poor hygiene, such as not washing hands properly before eating. Therefore, it's important to follow proper hygiene practices. In other words, hand washing is more important for those who work in kitchen. Another major cause of food poisoning is cross-contamination. This process transfers bacteria to different foods. For instance, the contaminants can transfer from raw food to products that are all set to be sold. It's important to know how bacteria and viruses spread. The idea is to find out how to prevent the spread of these unhealthy elements. Therefore, good hygiene practices are essential for both factories and common users. The food sold by these production units must be safe to eat. Long story short, these are some of the main reasons why you may want to follow food hygiene practices. Aside from this, food testing is also important to ensure what you eat is free of bacteria, viruses and other stuff that may have a negative impact on your health and the health of your family. Thanks for watching. Please check out previous videos, I know you'll love it too. Click the free subscribe button before that getting paid and hit the bell icon for upcoming fantastic cooking tips and facts. Bye.